Hello everyone, welcome back to Exploring Enchantments. We are staying at the Sheraton Universal and just wanted to show you our room. So when you walk in you get a nice little closet lit up here. Coffee maker, refrigerator. It's pretty small but spacious. There's the bathroom. Nice Hollywood sign there. Sitting area, we put our luggage there. We just got in. The boys are hungry, so they want to go down and eat. So we're gonna go to City Walk. But yeah, this is the room. Got some nice pictures here. And another little sitting area and small TV. I'd say probably like a 25-inch. No, it's bigger than that. And then here's our view. I mean, we get a view of some of the roof. We're on level 8, but we can actually see Universal. There's the menu right there. So cool. I'm gonna get this view too. So yeah.
Or should I become?
Look, Bowser. Become Bowser. I should become Bowser.
Oh yeah.
Well, my name is Penelope, and this is my loyal companion.
Okay.
Greetings. Thanks for here to Toothsome. Perhaps a special occasion?
His birthday.
Oh my goodness. Wonderful.
Birthday. And how old are you turning, my friend? 9 years old. And what is your name again? Liam. Liam, may we sing you happy birthday? Is that all right?
Wonderful.
Perfect. Well, Liam, will you help us? For Liam, will you help us clap your hands and be loud? Yeah. Let's sing. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. We are leaving today, having breakfast here at the Sheraton Universal. And I got just an American breakfast. Brandon got a burrito.
I'll make your magic better.
And the boys got Nutella pancakes.
Wait.
And some extra Nutella on the side.
You can alternate between.
Oh! No!
You can alternate. See, you gotta move between all of them.
Guys, you have to get out! No!